Alright, what I'm going to do here then is work on figure number 4, the cam. I'm not going to have a figure do number 3. You guys have seen two examples. You can do that one. But the cam, now we're going to involve some geometric constraints that we would have saw earlier. So I'm going to show you how you do this. I'm going to go to Sketch. I'm going to click on my XY. I'm going to go up here to Sketch, and I'm going to create two circles. I'm going to create a circle here for the bottom one and the top one. So I'm going to go until I get that green dot. There's my first circle. Here's my other circle. Now right away I'm going to use a geometric constraint here, and horizontal constraint, nope, vertical constraint. Alright, I'm going to make these two here be vertical each other. So you may not have seen a movement, and that's okay. I may have had it on the line. Some of you may have had yours move a little bit. Great. Now that I've done that, I'm going to go ahead and dimension my circles. My two circles have to be, well, let's see, they have to be 1.75 inches away from each other. Alright, so I've clicked on the center point of each, and now we're going to type in 1.75. Scroll down so that move it away, and now I'm going to dimension my two circles. This right here, if I go back over here, you'll see that it has a radius of 1.25, which tells me then that the diameter is 2.5. And then this top one has a radius of 0.5, so that means its diameter is 1. Now, the fact that these are so close to each other means absolutely nothing. I'm simply going to draw a line over here. I don't care where it goes as long as I'm going from one circle to on the other circle. And then over here I'm going to go on the circle. Over here I'm going to go on the circle. Now, the last step I'm going to do here is I'm going to go down here to, where is it? Here we go, my tangent constraint. And what this is going to do is I'm going to click on this circle. I'm going to tell that line to be tangent. And then I'm going to click on this line and tell it to be tangent to that circle. Now, mine's not moving very much. Yours might be moving a whole lot more. And then I'm going to go this line to that circle. And what I've got here now is this outer shape is the outer shape of this cam right here as well. What I'm also going to do then is I'm going to go up here and use a little function here called trim. And what I did is I just cut out the inside, and there's my cam. I basically just trimmed out the inside of it. It does tell us that it has a thickness of 0.125, so I'm going to go to Sketch, finish the sketch. I'm going to scroll it away so I can see it. 3D model, extrude, 0.125. And there's my cam. Alright, so there is there. Now it does have this little square peg in the middle. It's 0.125 by 0.125. So I'm going to Sketch, and because I put this on the center point, I know where that's at. I'm going to zoom in here a little bit. There we go. Let's try this again. Thought I clicked on that. Maybe I didn't. And now I'm going to dimension that. It needs to be 0.125. And this over here needs to be 0.125. If you remember from the other videos, I'm just going to click on that. Now, you can tell that it's not really centered yet. So what I'm going to do is, we're still in this dimensioning here. I'm going to type in 0.125 divided by 2. It will automatically do the math for me. And then I'm going to go over here and let's do the same thing here. I'm going to type in 0.125 divided by 2. And now I know it's perfectly centered. Sketch, Finish sketch, 3D model, extrude. Let's zoom in. Let's tell it to go the other direction. Tell it to go all the way. And there's my cam. Well, hey, hopefully that helped you guys.